What if you could earn money while you sleep? Literally. That's the promise of automated affiliate marketing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a smart system that pays you for promoting products you don't even own. The key? Automation. With the right tools and strategy, you can build a system that runs 24/7, bringing in commissions without constant effort. Let's break down how it actually works. First, pick a niche that pays. Don't just follow your passion. Follow the money. Look for evergreen markets like health, finance, or software, where people are always buying. Then, find affiliate programs with recurring commissions. Think subscription services or tools businesses need monthly. This way, one sale can pay you for months or even years. Smart niche selection is the foundation of a profitable affiliate system. Next, build a simple funnel. You don't need a fancy website, just a landing page that captures emails and directs users to your affiliate offer. Use tools like Systemi.io or ClickFunnels to automate this. Add an email sequence that educates and sells over time. Once set up, this funnel works on autopilot, turning cold traffic into warm leads and eventually into commissions. It's your digital salesperson. Now, drive traffic, but make it automated. Use SEO-optimized blog posts, YouTube videos, or Pinterest pins that rank over time, or run paid ads with retargeting to keep your funnel full. The goal is to create content or campaigns that keep working long after you've created them. This is where automation meets scalability. You're not just earning passively, you're building a machine that grows itself. Don't forget analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics, ClickMagick, or affiliate dashboards to track what's working. Which emails convert? Which traffic sources bring the most sales? Data lets you optimize and scale. Without it, you're guessing. With it, you're engineering success. The best part? Once you find a winning combo, you can duplicate it across niches or offers. That's how pros multiply their income streams. Want to go next level? Add AI tools. Use ChatGPT to write emails, Jasper to create blog content, or Zapier to connect your systems. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on strategy. The more you automate, the less you work, and the more you earn. This isn't the future, it's now. Smart marketers are already using AI to scale their affiliate empires effortlessly. Automated affiliate marketing isn't magic, it's systems, tools, and smart strategy. Set it up once, tweak it with data, and let it run. You won't get rich overnight, but you will build income that doesn't depend on your time. That's real freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and scale what works. Passive income isn't a dream, it's a system. And now you know how to build it.